Hi friends, good morning all, welcome back to CAP classes. Lately, I have been getting so many questions from the students. Many students are asking, Pavan sir, how to focus, how to memorize, how to present the answers, how to pass. So, this how to, there are so many questions. For that, I have decided that I will make a series of study tips. So, it covers memory, it covers presentation, it covers vocabulary, it covers do's and don'ts, and it covers all the factors that are pretty much essential for a student to pass professional examinations. So, welcome to this study tip 1. So, the study tip 1 is based on a small concept which all of us know is, that is teamwork. Have you ever heard this word teamwork? So, look at the picture. So, I named it as study buddy. So, study tip 1 is study buddy. So, what is the study buddy? Try to understand one thing. What one cannot do, two can do together. What one can do, two can do it in a better way. So, how we are going to package this concept or this study tip 1 so that it adds value to you? All of us have friends, right? All of us, we are blessed with some very good friends, beautiful friends. So, why can't we use this friendship productively for value creation, for value addition? Why can't we add value to our friend, and why can't our friends add value to us? So, look at the concept. This works 2000%. This works 2000%. There is no doubt about it. This is proven. This is tested. I myself have done that 4 times in my life, and all the 4 times this has given beautiful result. So let us understand what this is all about. So as I told you, our study tip 1, this is going to be series of study tips, and I'll speak about memory techniques, I'll speak about presentation techniques, I'll speak about how to prepare, I'll speak about how to handle theory papers, I'll speak about how to handle problematic numeric based papers, okay, how to get 60% in each and every paper. So what are the do's and don'ts in the exam, time management, stress management, memory techniques, how to memorize, okay, how to, retrieve, all these things we'll discuss in this series of study tips. So this is study tip 1 with the concept of what one cannot do, two can do, what one can do, two can do it better. This concept is called teamwork. Okay, so how we are going to do this, how it works, what the concept is. Let us see how this works, what the concept is. Now imagine you have a friend, okay, imagine you have a friend. Your friend is going to be your study buddy. Your friend is going to be your study buddy. So what we are going to do here is, okay, just give me 1 second. What we are going to do here is, see, say you are student A, your friend is student B. There are 2 students. You are student A, your friend is student B. Choose 2 subjects. Imagine one student has chosen income tax, another student has chosen accounting. 2 subjects. Okay, there are 2 students and there are 2 subjects. Now, how it works? Divide each subject into 20 parts. How many parts? Divide each subject into 20 parts. Or maybe you can do it in 10 parts. There is no hard and fast rule. How many parts it should be? There is no hard and fast rule. So imagine we are testing this with 10 or 20 days package. So our study plan 1 will be for 20 days. In this 20 days, what is the objective? Covering 2 papers. 20 days, 2 papers. Okay, so take one subject, income tax, divide it into how many pieces? 10 pieces. Income tax, divide it into 10 pieces. Maybe preliminaries you can do 1 chapter, residential status 1 chapter, and then you can say exemptions, exempted income 1 chapter, then 5 heads of income 5 chapters. After that clubbing, set off, carry forward, assessment, like this 2-3 chapters. So total there should be 10 chapters. So how many chapters you have? 10 chapters. How many subjects you have? 2 subjects. You take 1 subject, your friend will take 1 subject. Try to understand what is the plan. I have written clearly what is the plan. So look at bullet point 1, divide the subject into 10 parts. It is a plan for 20 days. So 20 days, 10 parts means each chapter or each part has 2 days effectively. That means you have to prepare that chapter in 2 days and you need to prepare a short notes. You need to prepare a short notes. Now I'll tell you one thing. Virendra Sehwag, who is considered to be one of the finest players of India, or probably, one of the hardest hitters in the world, like Gilchrist, like, Sangakkara, like Virendra Sehwag. These are destructive batsmen, destructive openers in the world. I was watching one of the interviews with Virendra Sehwag. He said, to excel anything, you need to have a very good friend. Daily in the morning, 4 o'clock, he used to get up. In a Bajaj Chetak scooter, he used to go to Ashish Nehra's place. Both of them are from Delhi. So he used to pick up Ashish Nehra, and Virendra Sehwag said, sometimes Ashish Nehra will be lazy. I go, I wake him up, okay, without brushing the teeth also, I'll put him on my scooter and I will take him. My friends asked me, if you want to practice, you go to the stadium and you do net practice yourself. Why are you forcing Nehra to come? He said, I want my friend to grow, point number 1. Point number 2, I am selfish. If I have to practice batting, I need a bowler. So if Ashish Nehra is not there, who will be my study buddy? Who will be my practice buddy? Who will be my workout buddy? Who will be my gym buddy? Who will be my, music partner? So if I have to do something, I should be with, a very good company. It is called Sajjana Sangatyam. So if you have a very nice friend with you, your life will be so beautiful, so easy. That is what I am going to tell you. What Ashish Nehra did to Virendra Sehwag, what Virendra Sehwag has done to Ashish Nehra, that is what we are going to learn. You are going to add value to your friend is going to add value to you. You choose one subject of your interest, your friend will choose one subject, you make it into 10 parts, he will make it into 10 parts, and then you schedule a call every day. So this call scheduling should be like, say for example, you want to get up early in the morning, but you are unable to get up. Schedule the call at 7 o'clock in the morning so that your friend will call you and torture you. Or you sleep in the afternoon, which you want to avoid. That is unproductive hour for you. Then schedule a call from 3 to 4 in the afternoon. So you are going to use your earphones, you are going to call your friend, and you are going to take the photo of all the short notes, charts, beautiful charts and short note, whatever you have prepared, preferably so colorful, using different color pens. Take a photo, send in WhatsApp to your friend, and then explain within 1 hour all the concepts to your friend. Remember one thing, the knowledge of financial management and accounting standards I have as a student is, if it is X, if it is 1X, the knowledge I have as a teacher is 1000x. While teaching, we learn. While teaching, we learn. When you are explaining concepts to your friend, my dear friend, then you understand the subject actually and you become the master. So today, income from house property I have chosen, and my friend has chosen, strategy implementation. I will explain full 1 hour this house property, income from house property to my friend, and on the next day he will explain in that strategy implementation to me. So he will prepare study notes, he will prepare short notes, he will prepare beautiful charts, he will prepare tables, okay, or memory techniques or something, and then he will share it with me. I will study tax and I will share it with him. The advantage is 2 days, 2 chapters are over with beautiful handwritten short notes, charts and summary notes. This works exceptionally brilliant. This works exceptionally brilliant. What you need to do is choose a study partner and be very serious. It cannot be a casual affair, I am telling you. It cannot be like a banana talk and all. Very focused, very serious. When you call him, you are going to discuss only subject. You are not even going to ask how is your day. 1 hour, 60 minutes productively, completely for the subject. So how it works, I have prepared one Excel sheet. So look at this Excel sheet. Day 1, one subject you are going to explain to your friend. Okay. Day 1, one subject you are going to explain to your friend. Day 2, he will explain his concept to you. Okay. Look here. So it is going to be like this. It is going to be like this. Okay, day 1 you are explaining income tax to your friend. Day 2 your friend some accounting concept or strategic management concept, whatever his subject is, he will explain that to you. Day 3 again you will explain one subject to him. Day 4 he will explain. That means effectively you are getting 2 days for one chapter. So this 20 days schedule, if you observe, in this 20 days, my dear friend, you are completing 2 full subjects. Imagine how beautiful life will be. You will become master of a subject in 10 days. Now a student asks the question, Pavan sir, do you think it works? My dear friend, I will tell you with all my confidence level, it works 100%. It works 100%. There is no doubt about it. This definitely works because I have done this in my life so many times. I have done this in my life so many times. So this is what we are calling study buddy. This is what we are calling study buddy. This is going to be our, step 1. Study tip 1. In study tip 2, we will discuss about something else. In study tip 2, we'll discuss about something else. So I hope you enjoyed this study tip. I named this study tip as study buddy. Point number 1, choose one of your friends to be your study buddy. Point number 2, be serious focused. Point number 3, choose 2 subjects, one subject for you, one subject for your friend. Okay, then make the subject into 10 parts. Prepare short notes, prepare summary, tables, charts of the subject. Schedule a phone call every day, 1 hour phone call. One day you explain your chapter to him, next day he or she will explain that chapter to you. Like this, you can complete 2 papers just in 20 days. Like this, if you do, my dear friends, within 3 months you can complete 8 papers. Within 3 months you can complete 8 papers. So I wish you very good luck. For more tips, keep following our YouTube channel and keep following CAP classes in our social media. Study tip 2 is going to be how to handle theory papers and get 60 plus in exams. With that, again I'll come to you. Thanks for watching.